Hey there you guys, today's wig is brought to you by Myfirstwig. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig and also their direct store. This is what the inside of the wig looks like when you get it. You get about 6 inches of parting space. You also get 2 combs in the front behind the lace, and you also get another comb in the back with adjustable straps. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but also the knots do not come bleached, but that's okay. I am going to go in off camera and bleach the knots. It comes with these really beautiful soft curls, just like how you see it on the mannequin head on the website. I really do love how the curls come, but after I bleached the knots and let the wig air dry, this is what it looks like, and I did lose those curls. To me, I'm not sure if I'm correct, but those curls do look like curls that was did by heat, and I could go in and do the curls over again, but because this hair is so silky, I felt like it would look so beautiful straight. So the only product I'm using on the hair is the Mira Smooth High Gloss Primer by Our Puyi is by Paul Mitchell. I just use 1 drop of this for each row, and I put it on the hair first, then I go in with the flat iron on 400 degrees. Also, when I'm parting each row, I'm actually taking big chunks of hair because the density is more on the low to medium side, so just better taking about like 5 tracks at a time and just going in. Like, you'll still get that nice sleek look. You could go in and flat iron each track one by one, but who really has time for that? Once the heat touched this wig, it just gets like silky straight instantly. After flat ironing the wig, it took about 15 minutes for me to do. That was actually a pretty good decent time. This is what it's looking like after the whole wig is flat ironed. I still got the lace attached. So for this, I usually sometimes do cut the lace while it's on my head, but I don't have a mirror right now next to me, so I'm just going to cut it while it's in my hand. It's already plucked to the shape of my hairline, or very close to the shape of my hairline, so I don't mind cutting this lace. If you want, you don't have to use scissors like these with the zigzag shears. You can use regular shear scissors and just try to cut the lace in like zigzag motions, or if you want, cut it straight. Nobody really likes to cut it straight these days because it leaves this line of demarcation, but sometimes it's actually not that bad. Like, I'm not gonna pretend like I never used to do it. It's actually not that bad. So this is what it's looking like on me. I want to show you guys what it looked like without no makeup on, because a lot of you guys always say that's not fair, you're wearing makeup, so yeah, the lace is gonna blend in really nice. No, even without makeup, this wig like really blend in really great. So after going out today, this is like my end results, and it looks so beautiful. Look at the shine, look at the texture. It just looks so silky and very gorgeous. Alright, you guys, so sorry if I sound a little bit raspy. I am a little bit under the weather. I'm recovering from the cold, okay? So you guys, we are here to talk about this wig. Look at this gorgeous wig, you guys. Come on. Come on. This wig is so natural looking and beautiful. My first wigs come through. Yes, the wig does not come like this. The only thing I had to do to customize it was I did go in and I bleached the knots. I used BW2 powder with 30 volume developer and about 3 drops of Eggplant Adore semi-permanent dye. just to tone out the brassiness. Then I went in with the Shimmer Lights purple shampoo on the lace, and I let the wig air dry. Went in, as you guys saw, with the flat iron, and this wig straightens very beautiful, you guys. Like, gorgeous. It looks like raw hair. Like, come on, this wig is so nice. I don't have any complaints. I actually just stepped outside with this wig and came back, and I was outside for about 3 hours, and I got a lot of compliments. The lace blends in very well, you guys. I don't even have the wig glued down. Look at that. Look at that. If you guys want to know how I installed my wig, I did it like how I got my first wig, my first actual wig from Myfirstwig. It was a bob. All I did was cut the lace, and to keep the air tab down, all I did was apply a little bit of glue right here, and then that's it. Like, I don't even have the other side glued down because nobody could see the side. So, and I'm not walking on the street. If I was walking on the street, I'd probably wear it with a hat, or I would just glue down this tab, so when the wind blow, it's just blowing like that. I like to keep things simple, especially in the winter time. I don't got time for that, you guys. I don't got time, all right? No time. So I just wanted to give you guys something cute and natural for every day. Like I said, the only work I really had to do was just bleach the knots. Also, I did go in and I did pluck the hairline close to my hairline. I put it on my mannequin head, and I just pluck until I just saw something I like. The wig does come pre-plucked, and you could leave it the way it plucked, but I just want to thin out just a little bit more, and it actually came out really great. If you guys want to know how like I really customize my wigs, let me know. I'll see if I could get like another wig from Myfirstwigs and try to do it from the beginning to the end for you guys, and then show you guys you don't need no glue to achieve this look. You also don't have to go in with a bleach. You could just go in with some powder, and then to set the powder you could use like some hairspray, and then just go about your day. That's if some people don't like the powder rubbing off too much. Me, I don't mind. Like, I just put the powder to sometimes pop the wig on and go. But it's really up to you. I don't have anything bad to say. So hair feels really great. By the way the quality feels, it feels like I would get a lot of wears out of it. But my experience with a few of Myfirstwigs, I think I have about 3 Myfirstwigs, 3 or 2, and I wore those out plenty of times, and I got so much compliments. And not only that, they last months, like 3 months, and it could still go strong. I just put them back in the box, so when I'm ready, I'm gonna wash it, then pop those wigs on again. This is pretty much it. I just want to give you guys a quick show and tell, because this is like a really great quality wig, you guys. Like, really great. Could you even find the lace? Like, seriously, can you really find the lace? Come on, the lace is right there. Come on, you guys, come on. So if I get a coupon code, I'll be sure to link it below too. Sorry for the mess in this house, gotta clean up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later, you guys.